Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Zasla Munzud here. So in this video we are going to discuss about task feature of GoHighLevel that's newly included in GoHighLevel, and I will guide you step by step how you can assign tasks to the team, and how you can check your task, and how you can assign tasks with workflow as well, and how we can do manually and automatically as well. So yeah, stick with me and I will show you step by step. At the end of this video you are able to sort your task features in GoHighLevel, and you can use it for your growth and for your more sales and more business. So first of all, here you can see here we have task section, how we can add task here and how we can assign to the team as well. I can guide you step by step. And first of all, you need to go to the contacts, and that's the first step. And here you can see the task feature, click on it, and after that you're able to see all the tasks listed here, and you can check all tasks. You can check due task, about today, you can check overdue task, and also you can check upcoming task as well, and or you can just simply click on it. You can see all tasks here, and here you can assign by the team members, and you can check by the status, and you can check by the date as well, and you can apply advanced filter as well that can be help you to manage your other task as well. Now it's up to you and how you can manage your task. And here is you can sort due dates or created out and updated out. It's up to you how you can handle your task and how you can edit your task. So let me go to add first task here, and I will say design, or we can say landing page setup for count to point. We can say you need to set up this task, and I just copy this and I can put art description here, and we need to select the date. For example, today date is 15, and you can select time PM AM. It's up to you. Is that a recurring task they need to do on every day, or they need to do a once a month, or one time task? It's up to you. Right now I can say it's a one time task, and you need to add the contact, which contact this task belong to, and you need to assign to team members. For example, in my case I can assign to the Ahmed, and simply I just create this task. It will take few seconds, and after that your task will be created here, and also after the created task, and it will be show here. So that's how you can create a task, and here you can assign the task, and also you can set notifications for team member as well. So how you can set the notification, it's super easy, and I just show you. And go to your setting, and after that go to your staff, and here you can select your staff name, and after that you simply go to this icon, edit icon, click on it, and after that you need to just go to notification setting, and here you need to enable notification for task. You see, get reminder on a task. You can in app, you can set emails, SMS, it up to you, but in my case I'm going to set up for email, and even you can set up for SMS as well. So let me check this for email, and I can say, so when you create task, it will be automatically sent to the notification to this guy. And I just go back and I just go to the contact. That's one way. And in another way how you can complete this task, or how you can manage this task, it's super easy. Just simply go to the contacts, and after that you can just simply click on it, and let me go to the contacts here, contacts list, and this one is a task. I just open this contact detail, and here you can see the task appear, and I just go to the task list, and here you can see that's a due task. Here you can see due task. So once this task is done, and here you can see the task and assign to the team member. When this task is done, simply click on it. That's how you can complete the task. And either you can just go to task, and you can simply click on it. You can just simply click on it, and you can complete the task. On it. Here you can mark as a complete task. It's up to you, or the team members can be complete the task. And another way how we can automate this complete procedure, I just simply go to automations, and after that I just create a workflow. Just go from scratch, and after that what we need to do, I just say new task added, and we will say create and update opportunity stage change. When our opportunity stage change, what we can do, we can assign task to our team member. Assign to not this one, we can say that in pipeline, and this one, and we can say if the pipeline stage is changed, what we can pipeline stage is go to new lead to hot lead. What you need to do, just we can say simply that's our trigger, and after that what we can say, we will say add that task, and here we can say add task. Okay, and the task is, we can say onboarding form submit, we can say that, and we can say please word on, and I can assign to team members, that's Kulamat, and we can assign no, we can day, today, it's up to you, we can say today I just assign this task, and that's how you can automate your task with your team members and with your requirements or with your task management system. That's how you can manage your all tasks, and that's it from this video. If you need any services related GoHighLevel, simply go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step. Either you can buy GoHighLevel from my description box below. I will do all things free of cost for you, and even I can do this whole white label system as well, and also I can give you this code and this stuff as well with free of cost. Thank you so much for watching this video.